Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the audio enhancements tab is missing on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So basically when you open the control panel from here and go to search category, select here the large icons and look for sound option here. If you are not able to find this sound option, just go to category wise and then you need to select hardware and sound, then click on sound, and now you should be able to open the sound option like this. Once you open the sound option, as you can see, this is my headphone speaker. You need to select your audio one, then you need to go to properties. Once you go to its properties, audio enhancement tab should be showing up here, but if it is missing, then in this video I will show you how to fix it. So I have seen this issue in the computer. Most of the computer does not have this tab. So how to enable it, let me show you. Simply open the device manager from here. Go to search bar, type the device manager, or you can right click on the this task menu, then open the device manager. And once you open the device manager, you need to scroll down and look for this sound, audio and video game controller, and look for your audio driver. In my case, that is Realtek Audio. You need to right click on it, click on update drivers, and choose browse my computer for drivers, then choose second option, that is let me pick up available drivers. Now make sure show compatible hardware is selected here. Once it is selected, you need to select here this option which says high definition audio device. In my computer there is no option for that, so I can select the different option. So let's try to select this option. You need to select the option which I have shown you, high definition audio device. And now let me try if I'm able to get the option after installing it. Now it has been done, and when I open this, it is not showing up here. So in my Windows guys, the option is not showing up here since there is no option for that. But in your Windows, you should be able to get this option. Otherwise, the audio enhancement tab is not supported as mine. So this is how you can fix it. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.